Well, already taping, Glenn. Second box. This one is numbered 24. He was feeling a Bronco head in it, so he decided to open it. All right, here we go. What was that? Gerard? Is that a what's his name?
Tom Landry.
Oh, Landry. Sorry, I thought it was Lambo. Andre Reed, jersey. Terrell Davis, timeline, jersey. Ooh, we have a nice patch coming up. Matt Schaub, UVA, finest.
Phillip Rivers.
Look at that patch, damn. So I'm still in love with this patch here. Number to 50, Todd Heap. Ooh, nice. Colossal jersey auto of Phillip Rivers. 3 of 5. Beautiful. Alright. Emerson Griffith. A rookie auto.
Oh my God, Bruce Smith, I hate that guy.
Kawamisi auto. 299. And if you didn't hear, he had a Bruce Smith that he hates. This card is available. This one's number 25. 18 of 25. And then a Pete Rasleff. Out of 25.
No rookie.
Ring of Honor of Otis Anderson. Phillip Rivers is pretty sweet though.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.